Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those people who don't know me, my name is James Cooper. I've been living in Asia for about 25 years and in Cambodia for the last 3 years. In my YouTube videos, I'll be talking a lot about Cambodia, Asia, travel, some work experience that I've done for companies like P&O Cruises. As for the British Council, I've been an IELTS examiner, etc. I don't use lots of fancy gadgets. Quite simply, I will use my mobile phone. I will use a GoPro to video some occasions and then share it with you. If you would like to subscribe, please do. Lovely, fantastic, excellent. If you want to see any videos related to anything which in Cambodia, for example, I'd be delighted to make for you. So do enjoy, do relax, do have a wonderful time, whatever you're doing, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And for now, I will say bye-bye and enjoy.